Well, good morning to me and good day to y'all. Today's video, we're going fishing at the Matesta Beach. It is January 25th, I think. Not sure. As you can see, I'm in my short sleeves and in my shorts and Crocs. It's quite warm outside, probably like 65-ish, maybe 70 in the sun. So we're gonna go fishing. That's just a little introduction to the video, and I'm gonna get my little fishing rods and all that, get the doggy, and meet up a couple of my friends at the Matesta Beach, and we're gonna do some day fishing. All right, so I got the truck loaded up with some of the stuff that I got going on. I'm taking fishing with me. Had to unload the truck from our skiing yesterday, because we went skiing yesterday. While I'm talking, I'll show you a few videos of us skiing. It was our second time skiing, and it was really fun. I really enjoyed it. My wife really enjoyed it. It was great, like really cool. We went to the Krasna Polyana and all that, and it was good, like really good. All right, on this note, Bruce, come on, get in, boy. All right, sit down. All right, so taking the dog with me. Why not? I love my dog, and he likes to ride around with me, so that should be fun. All right, let's go to the bait store. I need to get some stuff for fishing, bobbers and all that. So that's the store. We're going to the bait store. And yeah, buddy, you ready to go somewhere? Oh, he's excited. Alright, I should have filmed it, but yeah, I got some sea worms. Yeah, they don't look like regular worms. Never seen them, because I only fished in fresh waters, lakes, rivers and stuff. I never fished in salt water, so that's gonna be a new thing for me. But yeah, I got some sea worms, and this is the town next to my town had a little fish and bait shop. That's nice guy. But that's the town of Hosta right here. We're downtown, and let me let's head out. Yeah, dude. Yep. Let's head out to the beach in Matesta, and on the way there, maybe stop by and get some вкусняшка. Вкусняшка. Oh yeah, he knows that word. It means treat. Treats for me and for him and for the boys. And I'm meeting the boys over there. So let's go.
А я курю, и мне плевать на белый свет. Пусть все померкнет в дымке сигарет. Стоп, 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 музыка. Вот это девушка и ночь. Стоп, 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 музыка. Мы прогоняем скуку прочь. Душа поет, забот не зная никаких. Стоп, музыка.
Alright, made it to the little beach, parked the truck. Here's Tracy walking. I found a little spot here away from people, and we're gonna do some fishing here. It is there's people doing some subbing. I don't know if you can see them. but dog is happy. There we go. He loves Tracy. And we're waiting for Misha now. Alright, we got Misha here. Say hi. Misha, he's moving for work to the United States for 3 years, and he used to live in Japan. So this is my friend Michael in Sochi. And we got Tracy. You've seen Tracy. So the guys are getting ready. The doggy is enjoying just being around rocks. And I got my little bobber just spinning somewhere here. Yep. And we got these weird worms. The guy said that they're biting worms. So I don't know. But they look weird.
Хочу не видеть больше слез твоих от губ твоих. Я слышу запах роз. Стоп, 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 музыка. Вот эта девушка и ночь. Стоп, 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 музыка. Мы прогоняем скуку.
So an hour into fishing. What do you guys think about fishing?
We're gonna screw it.
Well, we're not fishermen, but are you guys having a good time?
Sure.
I know the dog's having a great
Just sun
time.
bath. Sitting, eating.
Drinking some Coke and Dr. Pepper. That was the dog trying to go after a bird. Motherfucker. Can't go after birds, dog. So, yep, we're gonna give it another couple hours.
Still on 80 worm.
That's a good sign. Get these crazy looking worms.
Okay. Biting worms.
These are sea worms, and the guys told me that they bite. Yeah. They bite, so I don't want to touch them like his peak. So I cut them in the middle, and got a lot of juice coming out of him. But that way he can't bite me no more. Slippery. I'll double knot him on the hook. Alright, let's wipe it on the hook. Yeah, he's still trying to move. Alright, let's throw him in.
Стоп, 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 музыка. Вот эта девушка и ночь. Стоп, 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 музыка. Мы прогоняем скуку. Душа поет.
So after being here for 2.5 hours, no luck, absolutely no luck with fishing, but I'm getting a suntan, and the guys already give up on the fishing. So, and the beach is getting kind of busy with a lot of random people here. So anyways, I think we're done with the fishing. We might try the river on the way back to my house, and we'll see, and we'll go from there, see what happens. All right, well, made it back to the house from my fishing, and we didn't catch anything as always, but we're about to do a little cookout, and that's about it. I'm not gonna make a video of us doing a cookout. It doesn't really matter, but there you go. We had a good day with some good friends, and yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video about fishing. Well, there was no fish casted in the video, and as always, you'll have a blessed day wherever you're at. Peace.